Now we will see about call by reference method. I hope you are now very much clear about call by value. Now let's start with call by reference. In call by reference, we have to deal with address of variable. And when we talk about address, we have to deal with pointers. Here pointer is a new term to many of you. So before discussing on call by reference, let's discuss about pointers in brief. So pointers is a vast topic and you will learn about it in details when you learn intermediate level of C programming. So as pointers is a requirement here, so let's have a quick discussion on it. So pointers are also the variables, but they hold the address of another variable. We know each variable has an address. So if you want to store the address of that variable into another variable, then you can do that using pointers. Let me show you how to declare a pointer. Pointer variable also have data types and they can store address of same data type variable. So if you have a pointer of integer type, then you can store the address of variable which is also integer. Let me show you how to declare a pointer variable of integer data type. So to declare a pointer, you first have to write the data type, then a star, and then the pointer name, suppose p. So star p. Here p is my pointer. So if you simply write p, that means we have an integer type variable p, but if you add an asterisk here, then it means that you have declared the pointer variable. So this is the meaning of asterisk keys in declaration of variable. But throughout the whole program, there is a different meaning of asterisk keys. Asterisk keys means value and the pointer means address. So apart from the declaration, if anywhere it is written like star p, then it means that we are saying value at the address of p. Let me show you this through an example. Suppose I have int variable a which is equals to 10 and the star p which is the pointer. I have declared a variable a and then initialized its value to 10. Also I have declared a pointer variable p by using an asterisk keys here. Now what I will do here, I will write p is equals to the address of variable a. So through this way the address of variable is stored in the pointer p. Here you don't need to write star or asterisk keys because we don't want to get the value. By writing this, I have stored the address of variable a into the pointer p. Now suppose the address of variable a is like the address of variable a is 9126. So if I print the value of p, I will get 9126. But if I try to print the value of star p, then I will get 10. So that means the value of p is the address of a, but the value at the address of p is 10. So p has 9126 and at 9126 we have 10. So here p will give me the address, but asterisk keys then p will give me the value at the address of p. I hope you are now getting the concept of pointers. So now let's come back to the call by reference method. So they are somewhat similar to call by value, but there is a big difference between two which we will learn here. In call by value method, we simply pass the value through actual parameters and formal parameters get their dummy values. Now when you make any change to values of formal parameter, then there will be no change in actual parameter. This was all about call by value. Now in call by reference, we have to pass the address of variable through actual parameters, and there will be pointers at formal parameters which will get the address of variables. So let's write this. Delete this part also. Suppose I have a void type function, void disp, and this will be getting a pointer, or you can say this function will be getting the address of a variable, and to store the address I need a pointer, so I will write int star. This will be my function declaration. Okay, this will be my function declaration. So the function declaration with a pointer will be written like this. Now let's write some definition inside main function. So I will write int a is equals to 10, then disp, I will call the function, and in the actual parameters I have to give the address of the variable. So I will write star address ampersand a. That means the method is now call by reference, and if I don't write this, the method will be call by value. So to use call by reference method, we use the address, and address is given by ampersand. So I will write ampersand a here, then I will write printf, then value of a is %d /n, and then comma a, and then get ch. Okay, so what I have done here, I have initialized variable a with 10, and then I have passed the address of variable a to the disp function as the actual parameter. Now function definition will have a pointer as formal parameter which would receive the address of variable a. So here we will write void disp, then int star x. Okay, now pointer x will have the address of variable a. Now let's make some changes to its value. To change in the value, we write star x will be equals to star x plus suppose 10, and if I don't write star, then the value will be changed in the address, but I want to change the value in the value which is stored, so I write star here. So now when flow come back to main function, it will print the value of variable a. Let's see the output of the program. So save it and run the program. Here you can see value of variable a is 20 now, but in the main function the value of variable a is 10, and the value of a is changed because of this statement. So this is how a function can change the values of variable which are not accessible in it. We know we cannot use the value, we cannot change the value of variable a through this function without using call by reference. So when we use call by reference, we can simply access or change the value of any variable inside any other function. In a way, we can understand function has returned a new value. So using pointers, you can return as many values as you want through functions. So I hope you have learned everything about call by value and call by reference. So that's all for today. See you in the next video class. Thank you.